In today's video, I'm going to teach you Producer.ai Walkthrough 2020 Stocks, how to use Producer.ai for beginners. To get started, open Producer.ai in your browser. Once the site loads, click Get Started or Sign In, depending on what you see on the home page. Then sign in using a supported account so you can access the main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything inside the platform, so once you're in, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout. Next, begin a new project by clicking Create or New Project from the home page. This will take you into the AI Music Workspace, which is where the actual song creation happens. If you're brand new to the platform, this is the area you'll be using most often. So it helps to know that this is where your prompts, generations, and edits will all come together. Now it's time to enter your music prompt. In the prompt box, describe the song you want Producer AI to make. The clearer your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. You can include the genre such as pop, hip-hop, EDM, or rock, along with the mood like happy, sad, cinematic, or energetic. You can also mention instruments, vocal style, tempo, and even lyrics if you want to guide the output more precisely. Try to be specific without making the prompt confusing. A focused description usually gives you a stronger first result. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate or simply press Enter. Then wait while Producer.ai creates your music. After it finishes, listen through the generated versions and pick the one you like best. It's a good idea to compare them carefully, since even small differences in style, energy, or arrangement can make one version stand out more than the others. After that, you can edit your track using the built-in AI tools. You can refine your prompt, regenerate certain sections, change the genre or mood, and adjust vocals or instrumentation. If your plan includes it, you may also be able to split stems for deeper editing. This part is especially useful if the first version is close to what you want but still needs a few improvements. If you want to go further, you can also create an AI music video. Open the AI music video feature, then enter a visual prompt describing the style or scene you want. After that, generate a video that matches your song so the audio and visuals feel connected. When you're happy with everything, click Download or Export. Choose your preferred file format. If more than one option is available, then save your song or share it directly from Producer AI. And that's the full beginner workflow for creating music inside the platform.